And students gather right in here, right up next to me. TRICA is a loose acronym for the Treasure Valley Institute for Children's Arts, and this building will be the Center for Learning and the Arts.
Oh, look, another one.
When you walk in the doors, there's just a peace that comes. And I think it's built into the structure of this building. It's built into the foundation of it. It was meant to be that. It was meant to be a place that gathers people.
When children pull up to this place, by the sheer nature of the outside of the building, it's going to draw them in because it looks like a castle that is amazing, and they're going to want to come inside.
It's like a spotlight is on them, and it's just a space that's awe-inspiring.
Just really helped me like embrace myself, and like dancing, you have to really get into it and like do some moves that might be out of your comfort zone, so it helped with my self-esteem and confidence.
We've taken the necessary effort to get the building stabilized. We've taken the necessary efforts to enclose the shell, if you will, replace windows.
This place was contaminated with meth and about to collapse and fall down, and it actually would have been cheaper if it did and was leveled and a new building was built. But we saved it, and it's worth it. And we get to drive by it and see the beauty. We get to come in it and see the beauty, and we get to talk to the families and children that pass through these doors and see the beauty in them sharing about the programs that they've experienced here and the light in their eyes. Yep, both knees bent, very good. The whole pizza pie is about $5.5 million. And to date, we are down to approximately the final 1.7 million. It's been 10 years and we've done a lot, but we are at a critical time point now because the budget that we've created with construction costs and the increase in construction costs, in order to stay on budget and make this happen, from now until May of 2018 is the most meaningful time ever to make a financial donation so that we can bring this project to fruition.
Well, I think if you love children, if children speak to you at all, this would be something that you would want to invest in, because this will be something that will stay with the child all their life. Their experiences that they will experience through the TRICA programs.
This isn't just John's vision. This is everybody behind John. It's everyone supporting John. It's the foundations, it's the community outreach, it's my team and my staff, our engineers, it's all of you who recognize that in the North End is this beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric that were it cut out of the big quilt would be a vast hole. It'd be difficult to fill.
Could I have both of you stand up, please?
You know, somebody had to have inspired and motivated Mr. John to be as wonderful as he is to children, and those are the same things that those children will then be able to carry on. And it takes a beautiful building, it takes a space for that to continue. John has done a wonderful job working at so many different schools. He could hit so many more people and so many more families he could make an impact on if he were to have all those families come to him in one space.
Right now it's the most meaningful time to help right now by making a donation over the course of the next 8 months. That's the crucial time frame that will be the most meaningful. We need it. We've spent years leading up to this point, and these next 8 months are crucial. And if everyone helps at their own capacity, it will happen.
Kids need all kinds of ways to express themselves as we do as adults. And this building, you know, it allows them to be a child with energy
We've had to come in and stabilize. We've had to build the backbone so that we can hang on that surfaces that make this is going to make this a beautiful place.
Run like the wind, yes, go! Yes, this building's wonderful, but it's the things that are going to happen both inside it and out that are profound and important. We've got to have everyone contribute something in one way or another to make this happen. The reason it will happen is just simply because we didn't give up. We did our best and then just didn't stop doing our best with this project. We just didn't give up. And over time, it will help. And we need people, we need donors to do their best by making a donation and being a part of it.